Sometime in May, we will have the Floral Humanoid Design Challenge again. So if you go to istebrak.com and click on the subreddit icon here, Floral Humanoid Design Challenge is basically like a character design, but you're given textural limitations. So it has to be a flower, it has to be some kind of plant, but it's a character, it's a person. You can do whatever you want with it outside of those restrictions. It just has to look like the textures read. You find a lot of references for petals, for leaves, light environment, all of that stuff just has to match. But it's a really, really fun one, and I do it every spring, just like the Harvest Goddess Design Challenge in the fall. The Floral Humanoid Design Challenge might become a staple for the future. So if you guys are interested in that, the winner gets a free masterclass from me. So if you've been eyeing my masterclass, you get that for free. The winner meaning the one that I pick that I feel is the most well done one. It's not always about which one is well painted or the best painted one. It's about the ones who put in the most effort, who poured the most of themselves into the illustration or challenge. Those are the ones that I feel like need rewards, need that push in life, need that congratulations for putting so much of yourself into this and pushing yourself and finding a whole new level from just one challenge and trying something new. I'll be looking at their submission history in the subreddit, and if they don't have one, I'll be looking at their gallery. That's what I like to do in this channel, is I like to reward those who are on that point in their journey where they don't necessarily know what they're doing, but they're still trying. But sometimes they're also really good at painting. So the winner that I choose, it just is going to rely on all of that together. That's not the only criteria for what makes them win. They can win, of course, but it's about who poured the most of themselves, who did the most, who really believed in the challenge and created a creature that just is so fun, is so interesting, and they did their research and all of that. They did master studies for it, all of that. So that's the Floral Humanoid Design Challenge. You get a free masterclass, you get a free portrait studio, and you join me for a critique hour. So this isn't always possible. It just depends on what's happening with the schedule. But I usually bring them in as guest speakers either on the day of the submissions that are accepted or looked at, the submissions that are viewed for the due date for the Floral Humanoid Design Challenge. That might be the day that I bring the winner in to speak with me, and that way you guys can meet them, ask them questions, and all of that. It's really, really great fun every single time. And that challenge videos aren't shortened on my channel. They're submitted in full. Just like the tutorial I did the other day, I submitted that in full to this channel. And another quick announcement is that patrons can now choose to opt in for 14-day challenge only homework. So my apprentices get homework assignments every month, and most of these are really, really high diversity. Sometimes I do character design, sometimes I do environments, but a big change that I made for 2023 is that patrons who are currently undergoing the 14-day challenge can submit their 14-day challenge and only that homework, and it still be counted as homework for the apprentice tier as apprentices. So if you guys want to get that little push in your 14-day challenge and you're not sure, you can't really commit to a full class schedule with me, you don't really want to book in private tutoring, but you want to get those regular critiques, you have the ability to get critiques once a month. At least you'll get a critique for your 14-day challenges, especially for those who take their time with their 14-day challenge, like for those who spend 3 months on it, for instance. So again, if you are interested in apprenticeship but you're not really ready for the heavier homework, alternative homework now includes and accepts 14-day challenges, and that it's really so beneficial for you to keep critiques flow moving in your work, and one of the best ways to do it is as an apprentice. Of course, you can still submit your work to the subreddit. Critiques are free through there, but you're not 100% sure if you're going to get a critique for your particular 14-day challenge. But for those who are especially dedicated to finishing it and have the ability to join as an apprentice, it's $20 a month. You can now join as a 14-day challenger. So to join that, you just go to patreon.com/Istebrak and you join as an apprentice and join the Discord and submit your homework through the Discord. And if you want your stuff critiqued, if you want to get critiques for your art, you just have to go to Istebrak.com and click on the subreddit icon right here, or the community icon right here, the community tab, sorry, and it'll take you to my subreddit. This will take you to my subreddit, and this will take you to my Discord server. If you're looking for a community to hang out with while you're sketching, just want to join on mic and chill and laugh, this is a great place to do it. And I also take in art to critique from the Discord community general critique text channel. So you guys can find all my links on Istebrak.com.